Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money by being a driver for Uber or Lyft. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can be able to make money by driving for Uber or Lyft. As many of you know, Uber is in multiple countries, and so is Lyft, with the exception of being in a ton of them. It is only available in the United States and Canada, but you can actually make money by driving people as if you are a contracted taxi. And it's fairly simple. All you need is a vehicle, insurance, and a valid driver's license. You can go through their sites, apply, make sure you have all the necessary documents submitted for their review and approval, and then you can become a driver for those companies. And then you have the option to pick up the people in your area who are requesting a ride. And then you're making a mileage rate, and it varies on time of day, holidays, and so forth. There's many different things that they calculate into the fares for each ride. The longer that you make yourself available and the more trips that you make in a day, the more money you're going to make. I actually have a cousin who does this for both companies, and between them she makes a fair amount of money. Now, it's not like a crap ton every single day, but there are days where she can make upwards of $15 an hour just by driving around town. As I said, there's many factors that goes into this: the distance you're traveling, the holiday season for their surcharges and things like that, to where there is a high demand for pickups. If you're not interested in necessarily driving people, Uber actually also has a secondary program called Uber Eats, where you could be the delivery person for fast food. In which case, you have the ability to pick up orders for people at Burger King, McDonald's, Taco Bell, things like that, and then deliver them for that customer, rather than them having to go out and get it themselves and drive home. And this is just one of many ways that you could be able to make money from home. If you're interested in further details, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where I have an article on how you can get started being a Uber or Lyft driver, some things that you need to know. You can also buy a copy of my book, Income Booster: 100 Plus Businesses That You Can Start From Home and Ditch the 9-to-5. There's literally a ton of different information in there on all the different ways I'm covering here on the channel for you to be able to make money from home and online. Doesn't matter your age or your situation, there's something in there to help you start making money in as little as a few minutes from now. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.